So hi friends, this is Amit. As you all are looking for CSAB Counseling 2024, that is going to be start from 29th of this month, that is 29th of July. So here I am going to provide you a estimation, that is how much cutoff will be there for EC branch in NIT IIIT GFTI कॉलेज। आप इन्फॉर्मेशन हिंदी में जानने के लिए मेरे हिंदी चैनल एडमिशन एकेडमी पे जा सकते हैं, जिसका लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन में दिया गया है। एस्टिमेशन दैट इज हाउ मच cutoff will be there for EC branch in NIT IIIT GFTI college up to the last round, that is second round of CSAB counseling. There are lots of risk involved as well. For that already I provided the step by step process. Once you watch that video you may get complete information, and even after that if you want you can register with my guidance so that I can guide you personally one to one, so that you will not do any mistake and you will save your academic year by getting very best college at your rank that you can't expect, because in CSAB anything can happen. That is unexpected thing. So here I will consider top 5 NIT IIIT GFTI, top 10, top 20 and lowest as well. It is anyhow if you want to just join NIT IIIT GFTI, up to which rank you can expect the seat, as I am guiding the student from last 6 years. So I know all the detail about the CSAB counseling cutoff, everything. Once you register I will provide you my personal information, that is personal guidance to you as well, so that you can get the best out of your rank in CSAB counseling. So let's get started with top 5 NIT IIIT GFTI. General 18 and 23,000, that is for NIT, and for IIIT 38,000, GFTI 32,000. Before moving forward for this video, I would like to inform you very urgent information regarding the CSAB counseling. Here your general rank will be used, that is CRL rank will be used, but you will get the benefit of your category. And how you can check here, it is for EWS category 21,000, that is CRL rank, not your EWS category rank. But in JOSA counseling your category rank will be used. Here your CRL rank will be used, but you will get the benefit of your category in both the session, that is both the counseling process, JOSA and CSAB. Here you can check for general it is 18,000, but for EWS it is 21,000 at the same time because of the reservation. So hope you get my point. For NIT 21 27,000, IIIT 43, GFTI 57,000. For OBC 23 28,000, that is for male and female. NIT IIIT 45,000, GFTI 59,000. And these are for ECE branches, that is for ECE electronics and communication I am providing you. Similarly I will provide you for lower branch, that is anyhow if you want to get any seat in particular college I will provide you that. NIT wise, IIIT wise, GFTI wise, everything you will get on the same channel, and for CSE branch also I will discuss soon on the same channel, so kindly subscribe the channel. For SC 75 and 85, that is for NIT male and female 75 and 85,000. For IIIT 1.3 lakh, GFTI 1.6 lakh. In case of SC category, IIIT GFTI cutoff is very high because there will be fee included. In NIT they don't have to pay fee, that is tuition fee waiver scheme is available. For ST 82,000 and 1 lakh. For NIT IIIT 2 lakh, GFTI 2.6 lakh. So here I would like to inform you about my complete guidance and mentorship regarding all type of entrance exam. Through this you will choose the best college and best branch, as I am guiding the student from last 6 years. Yes, over 10,000 students already have guided. Whenever you want and whatever counseling you are doing I will guide you for everything, that is JOSA, CSAB, JAG Delhi, JAG Chandigarh, Manipal, VIT, VITSAT, COMEDK, EEE or any other state level counseling. I will be guiding you for all the counseling, as I am doing it from last 6 years. Sidewise you can check the detail as well, and once you register you will get one-to-one personal call option all the time, and message you can do whenever you want, whenever you will have the doubt. Here I will provide you the personalized choice filling order for you, because every student have different type of rank, different type of vision, different type of interest, different type of family background, so there can't be a general choice filling for all the students. So I will provide you the personalized choice filling order. So on the screen you can check the detail, in the description also. Once you contact, if you find my guidance helpful, you can register for that by doing the nominal payment regarding that and by signing up. Now if you talk about top 10 NIT IIIT GFTI, here is the information. For general 2633, for NIT, for IIIT 52,000, GFTI 1.3 lakh. For EWS 30 56 1.5 lakh. For NIT IIIT GFTI. OBC 31 60 1.7 lakh. SC 1 2.2 2.7. ST 1.2 3 lakh 5 lakh. That is for male student I have discussed. In case of NIT, after slash you can check for female student. Now if you talk about top 20 NIT IIIT GFTI, here is the information. For general 40, after slash it is 46, that means for female. And for IIIT 65, GFTI 1.8 lakh. EWS 44 75 2.2 lakh. OBC 48 75 2.5 lakh. SC 1.7 3.1 3.8 lakh. That is for NIT IIIT GFTI. And now if you talk about for ST category, 2 2.3 4.2 and 5 lakh. That is for NIT male female, IIIT male, GFTI male. So this was about top 20. Now we will discuss about the lowest NIT IIIT GFTI. For general 50 and 59,000 for NIT. If you want EC branch in NIT, then you should have up to this rank. Even if your rank is 4,000 or 5,000 more than this, then also if you do better counseling up to the second round, then only you are going to get the seat. Otherwise you will not get the seat, or you may lose your money, you have to drop for the next year. So there are lots of risk involved. That's why, as I have shown you in the mid about my guidance, once you register I will be guiding you for each and everything. And once you register, you will be getting one-to-one call session, video session, Google Meet, and always you will be connected in WhatsApp. So on the screen you can check the detail through banner also, and thereafter you can contact me through app and website. Link is available in the description box, and also through direct WhatsApp and Instagram. So hope you get my point. For triple IT 1 lakh, GFTI 3 lakh, EWS 57,63,000 for NIT, triple IT 1.2, GFTI 4 lakh, OBC 59, 1.3 lakh, 4.5 lakh, SC 2.2 lakh, 3.2 lakh, 6.5 lakh, ST 3, 4.5, 7 lakh. That's for NIT, triple IT, GFTI. So this was about the complete information regarding NIT, triple IT, GFTI safe score, that is safe rank for ECE branch up to the second round of CSAB counseling 2024. So hope you find this information very useful for you. Similar type of video you will get more in upcoming days. So please try to subscribe the channel. Thank you.